This is the 2023 Polestar 2 long-range front-wheel drive plus pilot package and ventilated Nappa Leather. The EPA range on this is 270 miles. Alright, starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. Let's move on to the back. Over here is your trunk space. Extra room down here. Moving on to the rear seats. Heated seats as well. Moving on to the front. I'll show you guys the cameras. .360 view. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, and ventilated seats. It's hard to see because of the glare, but there we go. Wireless phone charger down here.
Only 2 Polestars you have?
At the moment, I believe so. Alright, there you have it. That's our 2023 Polestar 2 long-range front-wheel drive plus pilot package and ventilated Nappa Leather.